How to separate credit accounts without damaging your credit score. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. One of the trickiest parts of divorce is separating credit accounts. If you and your spouse had joint credit cards, loans, or were authorized users on each other's accounts, untangling your credit can feel like a financial minefield. But with the right steps, you can separate your accounts and protect your credit score in the process. Start by pulling your credit report from all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This will show you every account tied to your name, including joint accounts and those where you might still be listed as an authorized user. Reviewing your credit report helps you understand what needs to be updated, removed, or closed. Next, focus on closing or separating joint accounts. If both names are on a credit card or loan, contact the lender to find out their process for removing a name or closing the account entirely. Keep in mind, closing accounts can impact your credit utilization ratio, so if possible, pay down balances before closing anything. If you're an authorized user on your ex's account asked to be removed, this ensures their future activity, positive or negative, won't affect your credit. You'll also want to open new accounts in your name only, especially if you've been relying on shared credit. A personal credit card, even with a modest limit, helps you rebuild your individual credit profile and establish financial independence. We recently worked with a client who had perfect credit, but nearly every account was joint with her ex-husband. She was afraid that closing the cards would hurt her score, but we helped her create a plan that prioritized paying down balances, removing herself from certain accounts, and gradually opening new credit lines in her name. Within a few months, her credit remained intact and she had complete financial control. At Divorce 661, we understand that your credit is a vital part of your financial future. We help you navigate the process of separating accounts, understanding your credit report, and making smart decisions that protect your score and give you a clean start. If you're worried about how divorce might affect your credit, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you separate your credit the right way without hurting your financial foundation.